So yeah, this is how it looks like after opening the Microsoft Word application. So this is the page. Whenever you open the Microsoft Word application, this is the page you will see. So first, I'm going to write something. This is my very first tutorial about Microsoft Word. So I've written a sentence. This is my very first tutorial about Microsoft Word. So I'm going to talk about the typeface. What is typeface or the font style? So the font style is the design of lettering that can include various in size, weight, slope, width, and so on. So you can change your typeface using some options here. Here you can see here there are some options. Using this option, you can change your typeface that include variation in size. That means you can increase the size, you can decrease the size. That means if you increase the size, the writing will be bigger. If you decrease the size, the letters will be smaller. Okay, and then similarly you can also change the slope, width, and so on, and also the style. Okay, so this is what is typeface. So I'm going to change the typeface, and I'm going to show you how can you change the typeface, the style of your font, the font style, the size, and everything else. So what you have to do, you have to select the text. Then this is the option where you can see what font style you are currently using. It's showing that you are using this font style, and I'm going to change my font style from here. So you can just click here and you can see different options. There's a Calvary, there's Times New Roman, there's Arial, there's Adobe Arabic, and there are different options. And as you can see, the styling of this text has been changed whenever I am putting my cursor over a new font style. Okay, so this is very bold, black, dark, and dark type of font style. And this is something like thin and not so dark type of font style. So this is more a more clean type of font style, and this is something like design dramatic type of font style. This is Arabic style, this is Arial style, this is Times Roman style. So Times New Roman is actually the standard style for any letters or documents or anything else. So you can use Times New Roman. And there are for formal use and for informal use, there are different types of font style. Like there are serif font style and there are sans serif font style. I will talk about those formal and informal font style in my future videos. But for now, I'm going to show you how can you change your font style. So there's the option you can change your font style. So I'm going to click this one, Adobe Gothic Style B. So this one. So if you want to increase the size of your text, this is the option where you can change the size of your text. So currently this is at 11, but you can increase the font style 18, 20, 24. Okay, this is 48, and you can also decrease the font style. This is very tiny text, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to keep it as 20. Okay. So now you can also change the font color. So this is the option from where you can change the font color. So I'm going to click here. Currently this is black. This is black, as you can see. Black is the automatic color. Whenever you enter into the Microsoft Word and write anything, the black is the default color for the text. You can change the color also. Like whenever you are going to put your cursor on any color, the color has been changed. The color is going to change. You can also see the name of the color. Like whenever you put the cursor over the color, it will show you what the color it is. This is olive green, then the accent 3, and lighter 60%. This is 60% lighter olive green color. And then it's purple, there's accent 4, and lighter 40%. Okay, and like this one is aqua color, it's darker, 25% darker. So I'm going to click this one, choose this one. This is the aqua color. So yeah, uh, yes, then yeah, then there are another option. You can choose a background color for this text as well. You can as you can like you want to highlight any text, you want to make any, to emphasize any text, you can use color, or you can use the highlighter, right? So to highlight your text, so this is the option to highlight your text. The by default is no color. No color means the same color as your background color. But if you want you can also change the color. So this is the yellow color highlighted text. You can also use green, you can also use the turquoise color, you can also use pink, any color you want actually. So I need to choose the yellow color. So yeah, and now there you can also change the you can also bold the text, clicking here. So okay, so this text is actually, this font style is actually already in bold. So I'm going to change the font style and then going to apply the bold style. Okay, so this is a very thin text, and I'm going to select this one and apply the bold. So you can see, sorry, so as you can see, the text has been a bit uh, more bold now. Okay, so you can also make the text italic. Oh, one more thing, you can also make the sentences or text bold using simply Ctrl B from your keyboard. So I'm going to press Ctrl and B. So this is not bold now, and I'm going to again press Ctrl and B. This is bold now. You can see the change here. Ctrl B, it's not bold. Then I'm again press Ctrl B. It's bold now. So here is the option. You can make the sentence italic. You can to italicize the text. You can use this option. Then your text will be angular text. Okay. So the text has been angled a bit. You can also use Control I from your keyboard, like you have bold the first letter of italic I, and Control I. Okay. So then you can also underline the text, and here is the option underline, and you can simply use Control U to underline your text, or you can simply click here, then your text will be underlined. As you can see, there is an underlined line here. And there are some other options, there's some style for underline. This is double underline, this is a bold type underline, or thick underline, this is a dotted underline, dashed underline, and this is dot dashed underline, this is dot dot dash underline, and this is wave underline. So I'm going to use this one. I like wave. Okay, so okay, so yeah, so yeah, that is it for this video. This was a very basic video. In my next video I will show you some more things, some more important options from Microsoft Word, or some more interesting videos about any other topic.